Guys, so now here FISD integrations and in FISD integrations now I have to explain another scenario, and that is related to automatic account determination. So here uh, previously we have seen like in VKOA we have to assign the revenue account, but now it depends upon conditions. There are multiple choice, in the sense different combinations are there. Okay, so I'll just explain one of them. This one is already explained. Down payment is also explained. Now, revenue account determinations as per different material segment. Okay. So now look at here. For above scenario, we need to set up material with two different account assignment. Okay. Now let me explain this one first of all. Look at here, heavy vehicles and light vehicles. Okay. So say for example, if Tata Motor says that we are having like okay, heavy vehicles and light vehicles. So heavy vehicles and light vehicles. Now they are saying that if we, let's suppose, so if we are selling the heavy vehicles, of course, the revenue will be generated. So heavy vehicles related revenue is supposed to be posted here in this account, and light vehicle related revenue is supposed to be posted against this account. This is what the requirement. So they're having two different sales revenue account, guys. For heavy vehicles, this account supposed to be triggered. For light vehicle, this account supposed to be triggered. Now, so how it is possible? So first of all, we have to create two different material master. But the thing is, how SAP will identify which material is related to heavy vehicles and which material is related to light vehicles? That is the major challenge here, right? Okay. So yes, there is an options. Look at here. First of all, what we have to do. So for this scenario, that's what I explained. Okay, heavy vehicle also again we can categorize like trucks are there, buses are there. In light vehicles, we are having cars, lorries, right? Now, so lorries and cars. For cars also multiple different material master will be created, because different types of cars will be there. Different segment will be there. For every segment, a metal master is going to be created. In lorries also, let's suppose different categories will be there. For that, we have to create different kind of metal master. The same thing is applicable in trucks also and buses also, right? So guys, now here multiple material master we have to create for trucks, multiple material master we have to create for buses. So if any transaction posted related to material master which belongs to this heavy vehicles, whether it is trucks or buses, and so this transaction must be posted in the sense system automatically should trigger this GL account 3000. And if any transactions are going to be posted against the light vehicles, whether it is cars or lorries, then 3001 supposed to be triggered by system automatically. So first of all, we have to what we have to do, guys. So now whatever the material masters are created for trucks and buses, that must be grouped together. Okay, there must be a particular code which is going to be common in all the material master which is created for trucks and buses. And there must be certain settings or configurations which must be common here for cars and lorries. This is how SAP will come to know that yes, this trucks, buses, whatever is there, that belongs to same group, and cars and lorries that belongs to same group. Okay, so look at here, I have written for above scenario, we need to set up material with two different account assignment group. What is the use of account assignment group, guys? And generally this is material account assignment group. Okay, this is material account assignment group. So we have to create two different material account assignment group. One is for heavy vehicle and second one is for light vehicles. So look at here, we have to set up these two different account assignment group. Path is there. So path means that is coming from this one, SD side, sales and distribution, basic function, account assignment, costing, revenue. Even transaction code was also there. Somewhere I think transaction code was there. Have I written somewhere, guys? Not here. Yes, material account assignment OVK5. OVK5, right? So OVK5. Or else even you can use the path also. So look at here, LV and HV and LV that is already created. I'll just delete it because it is created by me only. Okay. And once again, OVK5 slash N OVK5. Okay. So once again, I'll just create. This is just a 2-digit code which we have to set up. Okay. 2-digit code which we have to set up. Click on new entry and HV, AV vehicle and LV, light vehicle. Press enter and save it. So these are the two account assignment group which we have to create. Now what next? The next one is we have to, okay, so while creating the material master which belongs to this segment, we have to use now this account assignment group. And for light vehicle, we have to use this account assignment group. So at least two material master we have to create, guys. Okay, two material master we have to create. So what to do for that? Okay, so do one thing. Create the material master, then come down here. Yeah, path I have shown, guys, because this is how you guys will come to know that these all configurations are not our part. But if anybody asks this scenario, that let's suppose we are having two different segment of material, okay, and segment A and segment B, and client is saying that for material which falls under segment A, right, for that a different revenue account supposed to be triggered, and the material which falls under segment B, for that a different uh, you know revenue account supposed to be triggered. Then what to do as a consultant? What do you have to do? So at least you must be having idea. Of course, the configuration will be done by SD consultant. Whatever configuration just now I have done, it is done by SD consultant. But you cannot say that no, I don't have any idea. You have to say that yes, then SAP has already given account assignment. So we have to set up two different material account assignment group, and whenever we create any material against heavy vehicle, then we have to use the material account assignment group which we have created for heavy vehicles. And when we create a material against light vehicles, for light vehicles, then we have to use the material account assignment group, right? That is LV I have created, so that we need to assign. So this is how SAP will be able to categorize the materials into two part, and then GL account assignment we have to do. Okay, now how to assign the GL account, that we'll see. But first of all, so these settings we have done. Revenue account determinations. This is like already done. That's fine. Transaction code is already there in the PPT, so that's fine. Create GL account FS00. We have to create two GL account. What is the key code, guys? OVK5. I'll just do one thing. OVK5 is the transaction code that also I have specified for you people. And then create GL account. So we have already one GL account. Another GL account we have to create. Revenue 3001. 3000 is there, or 3002 I'm going to create. So 3000, first of all, make the changes. Sales revenue account. Here you can make it like HV. Save it. And then just copy, make it 3002, and that we have to make it like LV. Just save it. Just save it. Okay. Now, what next? So we have created two different GL account also, relevant GL account. assign the GL account against material account assignment group VKOA. Now go to VKOA, guys. Just come here. VKOA. Come here. In VKOA, okay, these are the standard given by SAP. So here itself we have to make the changes. Now here we are having material group and account key. Against this combinations, double click here, and against this combination I'm going to assign. So look at here, just select anyone and copy, click on copy. So V and COFI, that is standard. TM05 here we have to specify TM05 our sales organization. Account assignment group, guys, this is material account assignment group. So first of all HV, and then here we can assign 3000, that is for heavy vehicles, right? And then click on copy and make it LV, and here 3002. That's it. Just save it. So what I have done, I have assigned against this one material group and account key. Against this combinations I have assigned the GL account. Okay. What next? The next one is, so we have assigned. Now the next one is create new material master with account assignment group. So now here what we have to do, guys, do we need to create a new material master, or we can use the existing one itself? Can we use the existing one, or do we need to set up the new? If you want to set up a new one, you can set up the new one also. Let me use the existing one I've created. I'll just do one thing then. If you create, I'll tell you, if you create a new material master, in that case, what you have to do, guys? In that case, you have to set up the condition record. This VK11, you must have to set up the condition record, or else you guys are going to face the issues. System will not be able to fetch the pricing procedure properly. That is what the issue I was getting when I was giving like this down payment through sales audit. So in that certain error was there. In that, even one error belongs to this one, in the sense pricing. What is a condition record also? One error was there, right? So what you have to do, I'll tell you. If you want to create a new material master, you can create two different new material master, and against both material master you have to maintain this this VK11 settings. Let's suppose you have created like a material master. First of all, go to VK11. Here condition type PR00, press enter and press enter here. Customer number you have to give, and material. Let's suppose you have created like FG3, and then you have created FG4 also. So FG3 here, FG4 here, amount you can specify, and then you have to save it. This setting you must have to do. Now, I am going to use the existing one. I'll try with the existing one. Let's see whether it is working or not. So if you are going to perform the setting, in the sense if you change the setting in existing material master, then this VK11 no need to maintain, because it is already maintained, right? So go to MM02, and my material is this one, TM05FG2. Press enter, and these are the details. Press enter, and I have to change what? I have to change, look at here, not here. Somewhere it was there, guys. Where it is? Not this one. So where was that? Division, that's fine. Material group. This is the material group 01. Not this one, I think. Not this one. That is account assignment. Yeah, here it is. Material account assignment group. So here, look at here now. If you click on drop down, HV and LV also will be there. First of all, I'll assign HV and save it. So what I have done, I've given account assignment group HV. Okay. Now, let me do one thing, guys. So I have made the changes in the existing material master. And since I have assigned HV, so which GL account will be triggered, guys? GL account 3000 will be triggered. Now 3000 is already assigned earlier also, right? So what I'll do, I'll just do one thing. First of all, I'll test for LV itself. LV means 3001, new GL account I have created, right? So let me assign LV itself. Press enter, enter. Instead of HV, LV. Okay. Now, okay. So this is done. Setup condition record is not needed because I have edited the existing one. Stock transfer for new material MB1C. So stock transfer MB1C and MB52 is the. Can I check here? Go to slash and MB52. Material is there or not? So 3 quantities are there. I'll test in 3 quantity itself. Whenever you transfer the material of finished goods, finished stock, better to increase the quantity, guys. Okay. So now again, so if you set up a new material master, then of course a stock transfer related activity you must have to perform, MB1C, right? Now I'm using the existing one and still I'm having 3 quantities. So from that itself, 1 quantity I'm going to create a sales order for that. I have to test whether 3001 GL account is getting triggered by system or not. So go to VA01 material, 1 quantity, everything is fine. Double click here. Condition, yes, it is being picked by system. No need to specify down payment, that is already tested. Come back. You can click on incompletion log. It means everything is completed. No problem. You can click on save button and 228. Go to slash and VL01N and 228 is there. Press enter. Picking 1 quantity. Just post goods issues and then go to VF01 and here we have to check, guys. Just save it. Press enter. Enter twice. So here we have to see document. This one was saved, right? Document. This one was saved. Go to VF02, guys, and click on accounting. The entry is taking place. Yes, 3002. Look at here, guys. 3002 has triggered. How? So you can click here, revenue accounts, and the flow. Here is the flow, PR00. Okay. So look at here, first of all, now. So SAP is checking which one? Item category account key. Then material. This one, 10. Customer group, material, and then account key. Then customer group and then account key, right? And here material group and account key. In this one, system is able to trigger. Again, see this one also, guys. Generally what happen? There are multiple combinations, right? So from these combinations, so one by one SAP is going to check the combinations here. But we have assigned our GL account here against material group and account key. So look at here. GL account, this one is determined here. Chart of account is there. Sales organization is there. And material account assignment group LV is there. And then we are having account key ERL. So with these combinations, we have assigned the GL account and system has finally triggered here. Okay. 3002. In the same material, if you assign, what do you say, this one? HV. As a, this one. Material account assignment group. What do you have to do? So this is an assignment for you people. So LV you have, now if I have created LV and SV, it doesn't mean that you guys are also going to create the same thing. You can create L1, H1, right? Or else like A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, any such kind of things you can create. Okay, you must be able to remember then which one is for heavy vehicle and which one is for light vehicle, and you must have to assign the GL account in proper way, in correct way. That is the second thing. So LV for light vehicle I have tested. For HV you have to test. Two things are there. Again for HV, two things are there. You can create a new material master. If you create a new material master, then what do you have to do, guys? Then you must have to perform this setting VK11 and MB1C stock transfer. Then you can be able to. So better, it's an assignment for you people. Create a new material master. What do you have to do? I'll tell you. I have edited the existing one. You create a new material master. Assign the account assignment group. I have created HV and LV. You can use L1, H1, right? L2, H2, anything. Now, so what is the assignment? Assignment is create a new material master. Then in that you have to assign low vehicle account assignment group while creating the material master. Make sure that LV you have assigned, or if you have created L1, L2, whatever it is that you have to assign, right? And just real account assignment, of course, it might have been done, I hope. So create the new material master, and then okay, condition record VK11 you must have to maintain. I've shown you already in the video. So maintain the VK11 for newly created material master, and then stock transfer MB1C also you have to perform. Transfer some 10-20 quantity, and then after you have to create a sales order, then goods issue, and then finally invoice you have to post, and then you see the accounting entry and see whether the GL sales revenue which we have created for LV is triggered or not. Okay, if it is triggered, then everything is fine. So this is what the assignment for you people.